In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in HubSpot 2025, step by step. We'll start with the basics. Open your browser, search for HubSpot, and log into your account. From the main home screen, head to the CRM area, then open Message Templates. This is where all your reusable emails live. Click New Template, then choose from scratch to start fresh. Give the template a clear, searchable name so you and your team can find it later. Next, add a concise subject line that states the value up front. Keep it short, action-oriented, and relevant to the recipient. Before you write the body, set the permission level. You can keep it private to yourself, share it with a specific team, or make it available to everyone in your HubSpot account. Choosing the right permission helps maintain consistency while preventing accidental edits. If you use folders, select one to keep things organized. Now compose the message in the editor. Write a friendly greeting, a brief benefit-focused body, a clear call to action, and a professional sign-off. To speed things up, use the insert option. Snippets drop in reusable paragraphs like product blurbs or common answers. Documents attach trackable files, showing when recipients open them. Meetings inserts your scheduling link to reduce back and forth. Video adds a personal touch with a short clip, great for intros or demos. Personalization is key. Click Personalize and choose the tokens you need, like first name or company, so each email feels tailored automatically. Place tokens where they read naturally and add fallback text for contacts with missing data. If your email signature needs updating, edit it right in the template so every send looks consistent with your brand. Review the subject, content, inserts, and personalization to ensure everything reads smoothly. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save Template. That's it. Your template is ready whenever you compose in HubSpot, helping you respond faster while staying on brand. Thanks for watching and happy templating.